Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Tech Boys. Now today, we have another unboxing for you guys. So you guys saw me unbox Philips case from Everything Apple Pro, which I'm actually still using on my iPhone right now, which we'll actually do a review of sometime in the very near future, hopefully within the next few weeks. But today I want to do another unboxing. So, just to let you all know, I am a retro person, right? I don't say retro person, but I'm a retro game console collector. So I like collecting all the game consoles that I can get at an okay price. And I've actually been having some trouble actually using these game consoles just for fun, and also for streaming purposes as well too. Notably, the N64 and the Genesis have not been doing too well on the big screens. Now, I don't own any CRT TVs or anything like that, so pretty much everything in my house is flat screen, which means that everything extends and stretches, and I can do 4x3, so it doesn't help. So, I scourged the internet like anyone else who was trying to figure out some information, and I found this company called RetroTink. And what they do is they specialize in zero latency / zero lag, retro console gaming for newer TVs. So we're going to go into the unboxing here today. Now I'm not going to do any type of setup or anything like that because I'm actually going to take some time and do some comparisons with this. So I will be trying to be filming this throughout the week. Now I'm very busy this week, so next week most likely I will have more stuff able to be done at a timely manner. But I will try to get this done as fast as possible for you guys, try to get you guys another video out within the 2-week time mark. But I'm very excited to do this unboxing. I just received this a day or two ago, and I don't have time to sit down and do an unboxing, so let's do it. So this is a RetroTink. Now I specifically bought the RetroTink 2X-Pro. It is $129.99. Now I actually paid $137 for this because I added a N64/SNES cable. With that, if you do not need that cable, you can subtract the money, which I believe was $7, so for $129.99. Now, this will work on almost any console you can think of. Now, there are some consoles where this isn't 100% tested with, so limitations might be a thing, but for generalized consoles like the NES, SNES, Sega Genesis, and stuff like that, this should work pretty nice. So, here we go. Here is the unboxing. So, let's go ahead and lift the flap up. Also, I feel a card, so I'm going to move the card down. Boop! Yay! A box. Anyways, so you get a little card, which we'll read here in a second. So, you get the little card. You get a sticker, I believe. Sticker! Yes, sticker! Yay! And then here's my, the cable I asked for, so thank you. That I paid for. A fancy bag, and a micro USB cable. I will talk about this here in a few moments. While I'm a little disappointed with micro USB, but I will talk about that when that time is right. So let's move the box somewhere safe. Perfect. I really want to read off this card real quickly. It says, congratulations, you now own a RetroTink 2X-Pro, a zero-lag upscaler for your retro console. To get started, simply plug in the USB power cord, cable videos, and power up your console. And it does how to do stuff on the thing itself, how to set up properly and stuff. I'm not going to read that on here right now. The only other thing I'm going to read is says at the very bottom, it says, thank you again for making premium boutique retro gaming products possible, signed Mike. Mike, I really hope this helps out my situation, because I've been looking for something like this for a while that didn't suck. So I hope that this really helps out. So now here comes my only complaint of the unboxing, and I will try to be as brief as I can with this. Micro USB. Now, obviously, I do get that micro USB is cheaper to grab from the big bulk things that you'll grab. I do get that, and I do get that this connector, a lot of people probably have spares of these in their house and stuff like that, so I do get it. But the only problem is I believe I have to plug this into a power adapter. And I don't have a whole lot of power adapters that are actually USB-A. I've been switching a lot of my adapters to be USB-C because I have an iPhone 11 Pro right now, and I also run a Galaxy S9 Plus, which both can take faster charging. So I try to use products from different companies that are USB-C to USB-C or USB-C to Lightning. And so a lot of my chargers have now been switched over to the USB-C standard. So it would have been awesome if this would have been USB-C, because then I could just use one of my chargers that I could use for extra things, but it's okay. So I do get it. It's all good. So we will use this. It's not a big problem. Now, the baggie. Here's the little baggie. Yay! So here is the device itself. It is super, super cool. Now, the coolest thing about this is actually I love the clear case of this. This drew me to this like no tomorrow. So this is really, really cool. So it says RetroTink 2X-Pro on the top, which is great. Now, so it has your standard components on it. So it has the red, blue, green, and then your stereo for your audio. Then you have your composite input, which would be green. So green will also be yellow, and then red and yellow for L and R. On this side, you have your little switches that you would click, and it says on here how to use the switches and stuff. So I'm not going to go through that. Then you have your S video input, which I think is super, super nice, because that gives people, if they have an S video cord, they can just continue using that cord if it's a high quality cord. It always makes a big difference. Then on the back, you have the micro USB, the HDMI, and two little buttons that are for input and filters. So super cool. And at the bottom, you get the two little bunnies, which is very cute. Now, again, I know nothing of this. I don't know how it works. I will be doing all that stuff during my own time. But I thought I'd pop on here and kind of just show this off a little bit. I really like how this looks. Here is it at all angles. So it is a very nice little console. It's a very nice little piece of tech. It's very, very small, which means that this could be used at multiple places. So if any of your friends have retro consoles, or if you guys want to do a game night or whatever, but everyone has flat screen TVs, you can just pop this in a backpack or a messenger bag or anything like that. Even a fanny pack, honestly, this could fit in a fanny pack. And you could take this with you to your friend's house. So it's fantastic. I like how small it is, and it probably will work very, very well. So for $129, is this going to be the answer to my questions? I have no idea. So I'm going to learn how to use this, do some testing on it, and then on the next video, I'll let you guys know my verdict on it. Is it worth the price? And how well do I like this? And show you guys some on-screen comparison shots on how it looks. Alrighty, well, thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me for this 8 to 10 minutes. Sorry, that's probably very boring for you. Yeah, but if you have any questions, comments, and concerns, throw them down in the comments down below. I will try to read them as much as I can. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And also remember that we do have a Linktree link down in the description below that takes you to all of the Tech Boys socials. So that'll be Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, and then obviously you're on the YouTube channel, and it also has mine and DJ's Twitch on there as well too, so you guys can follow us personally. I sometimes do these unboxings live. We're not doing it live tonight, but I will do some things live where we'll throw on the channel, so it's super cool. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me for this little unboxing, and I'll start doing my testing. So thank you guys Thank you guys so much for hanging out while I'm doing this unboxing. It really means a lot, and I'll see you guys next time.